Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll show you how to solve a problem that when you're playing games your PC gets shut down. Okay, so first go to registry editor and click on open. So I already got this problem, so I solved that. I'll just show you. Okay, first go to this HKey local machine and go to software over here and go for Microsoft. In this Microsoft you'll find an option that Windows. Go and select Windows. Okay, this one. In Windows just right click over here anywhere and you'll find an option new and select here key. If you select a key over here it will create a new file like this. In that file rename that Windows Update. Okay, in Windows Update go for this arrow and you need to create another file like this and go for new and select key and rename this file as AU. It should be in caps lock and go for this file now, and now right click on this file and again select new. Now select your bit value of your system. My system is 64 bit. I clicked over here 64 bit and created a file over here. If your system is running 32 bit, select 32 bit. If you select any of this option it will create a file like this, and you need to reboot this, rename this as no auto reboot with logged on user. I'll provide you this command in the description. You need to type this command as usual. Okay, that's it guys, your problem will be solved. So thank you for watching friends. If you like